What worries me is that her philosophy of judging.
Elena Kagan was probably consulted before Obamacare was passed because she's the nation's highest lawyer. You have now sent her a letter asking to what degree she was consulted and would she recuse herself if Obamacare ever made it to the legality of Obamacare ever made it to the Supreme Court.
I think it's a big, big question. She, Solicitor General, represents the United States government, in a sense the president, the chief executive, before the Supreme Court and appellate courts in America. They are the central legal center for the position of the United States government on what's constitutional and what's not constitutional and what's legal and what's not. And it'd be awfully strange to me that she were not consulted in some degree on these issues. It's possible, but we need to know more. And if she was involved, she should not then be on the court ruling on matters that she helped develop that are controversial. So if you take, she would not be objective because she would have been an advocate for one of those views before she gets on the court. She could not be, excuse me, seen as fair and should not sit on a case like that.
Over the years, she showed almost embarrassing affection for Barack Obama. So how could she then view the legality of his policies objectively when she's given fawning introductions of him?
Well, you know, it does raise some questions. Of course, we've had people that have been confirmed to the bench that thought Ronald Reagan was a great American hero too, as I did, and that's not necessarily disqualifying. The question is, will this nominee be able to set aside those personal, political, ideological, social views and be objective on the bench? Now, that's the real question. What worries me is that her philosophy of judging, the judges for whom she's worked, the judges with whom she seems to admire, they advocate a judge being able to expand the law and to advance it, in an activist way. And so you combine strong political views with a philosophy of judging that allows a judge to, in effect, allow those empathies and views to influence their decision making, and you've got a toxic combination. And we've got too much of that on the bench today, and we've had seen too much of it. The American people are not happy with it.